Welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. And I just thought to prepare chili chicken at house itself. So stay tuned. So the pan is getting heated up. Let me pour some oil. And this is pudina puree. This chilies has been added and grinded, and pudina also, which is known as mint leaves. Onions. So here is ginger garlic paste. Mom had kept it in freezer, so it's a bit difficult for me to remove it. So I kept it 1 hour before itself, but still it has not been melted. Let me add all the chilies and start salting this. You can add some turmeric powder, but I have added turmeric powder in chicken and I have marinated this chicken so that the bacteria get died up in chicken. So next, let me pour this pudina chili puree. Let me start salting this. The flavor of pudina is just amazing. This is half kg of chicken which I am using. So according to quantity, use the spices. Mix it well so that the spices enter perfectly into the meat. So next I'll be using bit of chili powder, pepper, coriander powder, at last garam masala. Let me start mixing it well. Cooked up well. Till then I'll keep salting so that the masala goes completely inside the meat. So it's been 5 minutes. Let me put 1 full glass of water and let me allow to cook for minimum 20 minutes. Let me close some top on this vessel so that when the steam is formed, chicken will be cooked properly. In pudina puree, mom has used some mint leaves and chilies and some garam masala. Let me open and check and let me mix it well. Still chicken has to be cooked. Let it cook for another 10 more minutes. The aroma of the pudina and chilies is completely filled inside the room. So it's been 5 minutes. Let me check the taste. Now, I think salt is a bit less because I use the salt very less in beginning. Yes, the salt is a bit less. Let me salt it well. Let the salt get completely mixed with this gravy. I don't want to make this chili chicken completely dry because I might eat this with rice or with chapati. So if people need completely dry, then allow the gravy to get completely dried till last. Put it in a high flame and leave it so that the gravy goes completely dried and get merged with meat. I hope the salt is perfect. Bit more. I think this would be more than enough. Let this get cooked up for 2 more minutes. Let me close this vessel on top. I need slightly in semi-gravy type, so I have allowed chicken to cook some more time. Let me open the vessel and check. Let me check whether the chicken has cooked properly. The chicken has cooked well. Let me off. So I have served some chicken in the plate. Let me taste this. The spiciness is really more and mint flavor is completely added to the meat and even chili flavor. It's just tasting really good. Let me squeeze some lemon on top so that spiciness and tanginess gives a very good taste. It's really tasting amazing. I just finished my lunch. The spiciness was really more, but still for one day it's fine. If I eat daily in the summer, then definitely I would be done. Anyhow, so I hope you guys are liking my video because there is no option of going out. Even I am waiting for this lockdown to get over so that I can roam at least outside. Staying at house, it's becoming really hectic for me. So anyhow, it's time to end my vlog. Take care, guys.